Hi everyone, welcome back to another CCNA tutorial. In today's video, we are not going to perform any lab, but we are going to see how to install GNS3 on your Windows 11 computer. So for the routing, we require GNS3, so that's why we're going to install it. To install it, just simply type gns3.com, sign in, and sign in with your username and password. After signing into the website, just click free download. So first thing first, we will start the installation. The installation process is pretty simple. And here you go. As you can see now, the GNS3 installation is finished. So here you have to select the second option, run appliances on my local computer. Click next, 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 and finish. Now I will show you how to import the iOS of router. So now to import the iOS, all you have to do is just click on edit, then click preferences. Here under the iOS routers, click new, then go to the browse and select the image. Yes, click next. Here you can find the ideal PC value for your Cisco router. It's a optional thing if you want to calculate here. Okay, if not, then once you will start the project and select the router, you can also calculate the ideal PC value and click apply and okay. So that's it. Today we see how to install the GNS3 and how to import the iOS images. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.